Good morning everybody. We have a new phonics sound. Good morning everybody and thank you for joining me for our phonics lesson today. Today we are learning to write words with the OO sound. And the OO sound in phase 5 has letters U and E, and together they make OO. Okay, as always we're going to be using our fingers to sound out some words. So, the first word that we're going to sound out together is true. So let's use our fingers. Are you ready? T-R-U. True. There are 3 sounds. So I'm going to do the sound buttons first. T-R-U. Can you write down true? If you need to pause the video while you're writing, that's no problem. And now we can tick or fix. True. This time I want you to put your hand behind your back and you're going to sound it out by yourself this time. We're going to sound out the word clue. Are you ready? Okay, show me your fingers on 1, 2, 3. 3 sounds. Well done. Clue. K-oo. Can you write it down now? And you can tick or fix. Clue. And remember, if you make a mistake, it's no problem because that means you are going to be learning. Okay, let's hide our fingers again. This time I want you to write down the word, or sound out, first of all, the word blue. Show me your fingers, 3, 2, 1. Again, there are 3 sounds. B, U, oo. Can you write them down? Like the colour blue, and you can tick or fix. This time we're going to do a longer word, so let's hide our fingers. I want you to sound out value. Value. Show me your fingers, 3, 2, 1. 4 sounds this time. V, al, u, v, a, u, oo. Sorry. Let's do that one more time. V, a, u, oo. Value. Okay, can you write it down for me? And you can tick it or fix. Our last OO word that we're going to sound out is argue. Let's hide our fingers. 3, 2, 1. There are only 3 sounds this time. Argue. Argue. Can you write it down? There are 2 special friends. Argue. Argue, and you can tick it or fix it. Remember, there are only 3 sounds in that one. Okay, and before we move on to writing our sentences, we're going to practice writing tricky word where. Well done. And when we write tricky word where, at the end, there's a silent E. Silent E. We can't hear it, but we have to write it. So the letters we need for where are W-E-R-E. Can you say that with me? W-E-R-E. I want you to write it 3 times. Off you go. So you should have already written where, tricky word where, 3 times. Now we're going to write a sentence. We're going to write it together. Okay, this is a question. The question I want you to write is it true that you were good? Is it true that you were good? And we're going to be using our tricky word, were. We already know true uses the oo sound. So, is it true that you were good? And remember, you is also a tricky word. Don't get caught out. Off you go. Okay, if you want to look up here on the board, we have our squiggly lines, which means that is a tricky word, and our sound buttons, which means you can sound it out. This might help you. So remember the sentences. Is it true that you were good? What do we need at the end of a sentence? Or sorry, at the end of a question? At the end of a sentence we put a full stop. At the end of a question we need a question mark. Don't forget your question mark. Another question mark at the end. Have a look at your sentence and have a look at my sentence. If there are any changes that you need to do, please do them now. For your challenge, I would like you to write 3 more sentences using words with the oo sound and send them along with your work from this lesson to your portfolio for your teacher to mark. See you then.